Theria Chikloni Pai Pliani, Chinthong Constituency Kiparo, Sing Doloyalong, Chinthong Labor Union, Committee Tum Chingrum Pen, Non Chinthong Along Rialong Kivang Mate, Kido Company Along, Labor Tuma Pansitame, Choklem Chudamje Panpura, Voreng Varsai Pekponang Jipusi, Chinthong Labor Union Committee Mepu, Babu Hanse, Ahin Pen, Japon Linsi, Pini Pen, Me Padupondo. Labor Union ame ki padupon along Central Committee Karbianglong Labor Union ame phu akihai khorsing timong la pen ari sangho tumsitame bangso melong nang chitong dun pen kachitong do anarar phan klardak pen pachini tekanglo non madak Chinthong morinto hawaralong company kimi Karbi langpi hydroelectric project long stame Chinthong awar ki dukdet arat mate Labor atuma phansitame voreng awar sai pekponang jipusi Central Committee lapen Chinthong Labor Union Committee atum chingrum pet pen nonakimi dam mate morinto Karbi langpi hydroelectric project dam keteng along anpali dam pen Labor atuma phan voreng awar sai nang pekponang jipusi head project monitor Hondo Sri Nivas Tati Kondari deng memorandum alustami pipajer tekanglo
Chinthong hawarlong Tonma Council MEC Padang ke Deputy Chairman Alangli Havaro Karbianglong ke Alangli visit kro Alangli homosti kami ni jake wangan ko ke demo saran sini di Banglo na bangsa demo long kiteng kelang pon padang ni tum Karbiara ta me isang la setulu long don nai po aja ni sini di pini la dakang lang hombi lang tum ni ar king long tame tan tum along sini gelang ke la bangsa mulang ke je juntu Itong Karbianglong is West Karbianglong Dimasol of Englong so rata ni tung song dat chutulu nang ikusi pinildak itong nabangso Klembang fu ni tung levar nyon apen levar asikatri lepen levar bahandar bhadi singro pi lepen ni tung dago berong pi sang hol lepen dak ke ding meja ko te lepen itong nang arap ajil pi ko tung ha nilihin pen pini labangso dak ke wangun ko ke nang tum ha media ko te bhandani nang chuni rilo lo si nang tum media yong si abi te ni tum kam da te mone lo si media ko te pensi kam ang da pon bom nai lo si nang tum nilip ne hang ka do ko rong kam ko ta is west Karbiang Dimas ho tame nang tum lo si pang da pon bom lo si kam hi kem ta ni tu te kam bior mo lo si kem kam bior phang nang tum media phang abi te ni tum si bior lo si ni tum ke pui bang song lo nang ke ni tum Karbiang tum na council pen ke nili phang si non Chief Minister Hemprek Sharma la penilian sita ni State Minister ni thanlo la hai hu lam ni ching wala fen CM da ko tang ko po ni hai kamam ni ching bai bom po asini tu molong ke te geding MLA MP CM ka do be council long do la sini tum la so pini dang ko wi ko bang ke ni tum da kal biasa non da ke te do pik asi goreng wasa gelong le do pik asi non goreng wasa la hai puthak an mi tum chung la sikulu noi pan bang ke itu masih yang dapat terang do la sini tum ching bai sai po Nasi Chief Minister ben jing wajing sepatu jing wai pacing sai tampo nasi ka do kawe hai busak lagi tum pini Karbi arat padang de ni tum risu yang num tome dakin sutla hidap muji sutulu dunji tapen la rong be rong thak la rong koi song kep West Karbiang ma homosti tame pini la dakin song dat no e phangsi itu la bangsa ka humri la
homosti MSC sara visit crop and state ni chini dak ni tum morinto Demalam puthak la compensation kilong le tum phan anta alang le phan chune ri lo compensation kilong le tum phan anta pelong pinon sar la pen kilong le tum phan ta pelongon kilong chi lang tum phan ta pelongon athima kidu kelak hawar lang le plan kita malam do pot la selang le phan chune ri abang kela pulo nil tum ta dak kachong daji phan sinil tum ta kemang la si dak morin to dam puthak la Lai kupen celok nomor ci la he lang le plan ke dam alang li compensation ki tipe ta dolang po se pula si PPGC ke melo la pen la le lang atum hanta papelangon la pen kilong ji lang ke dolang atum hanta papelangon la pen MLA election tanang le bomlo mo ilirong ke do ke thak ke dam rap han ke than siksak dagi la pen MEC election ta mo wang lo pulo tang te nali phan akoi ke no wang joi tai sar la si nali compensation bang prabjin pen la morinto adana puthak compensation prabjin pen pinon pasinil tun Chinthong Labor Union ahem pen nang chini dilo.
Good afternoon. My name is Siri Bijasing Rongpi. We on behalf of the chairmanship of Karbianglong Autonomous Council Labor Union Board Chairman Sir Khorsing Timung and the manager of the Murinto hydroelectric project here in Karbilangpi Dam. Hereby, I'm going to say some things about our own labor effort, as the Prime Minister has always declared to the citizenships of Indian to build a nation and to build our endeavor approach, how to work, how to descend work according to the International Labor Organization. We all labor populations here, and the labor committee of the labor union in our local Karbi Anglong districts, all we congregate together, come here in our beloved manager sir's official complex. Hereby, again, I want to say about the machinery parts I have seen for the hydroelectric project constructions basis. In this regard, we are going to produce hydroelectricity. That is why I learned across the electricity in the Newton law, as well as now the law of motion and the law of 100 megawatts. Once we have the install and construct in our local hometown Dokmoka, but they are all the effective goes to the destructive purpose only. That is why I'm going to say again for the endeavor approach, as Sabka Prayas, Prime Minister Narendra Modi government says that this endeavor approach is our labor approach. According to the skilled labor, technicians, electricians, and the engineering as well as managers are declared all about the theory and the practical needed here to construct the electricity dams is no more for destructive purposes but for the constructive purposes. About the hydroelectric project dam here in Karbilangpi, the 100 megawatts is going to contribute this electricity power to out of more or less 5 lakhs consumers, and we can incur the revenue as the per annual income for the projects of the hydroelectricity and the nuclear and the power revenue tax and revenue will incur.
Chinthong pen himari rong par, Karbi Anglong Live.